Hello everyone, welcome to a thrilling new episode of Immigration Fridays. I'm your host Prashanthi and we're here again to guide you through the ever-evolving maze of US immigration law. This week's been a roller coaster with the Trump administration, so let's buckle up and dive right in. What are we discussing this week? We will be discussing the Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin just came out a few days ago, so let's go more deeper and see what the Visa Bulletin has to offer this month. We'll also talk about predictions of what to expect next month. So for this month, USCIS has said that they will look at the final action date table for employment-based cases, and for family-based cases, they will look at the dates for filing table. We all know that the Visa Bulletin comes out every month, and if your priority date has been reached, based on the filing of your I-140 or filing of the date of filing of your I-130 or the date of filing of your labor cert, depending on what kind of petition you have filed, your priority date is determined based on that. So once your priority date has been reached, then you can go ahead and file for adjustment of status or for the 485 application. So every month, USCIS will tell you which table to follow. There are two tables, as I said, the final action date table, which is the actual priority dates, and the dates for filing table, which allows you to file your case in advance because USCIS is of the opinion that they will reach that date soon, and they know that processing will take some time. So they're hoping that by the time they process the application, your priority date will be current. So they're allowing you to file for adjustment of status in advance. Now let's go into the details of what the May Visa Bulletin actually look like. Let's go into each categories. For the employment-based categories, EB1 category, as per the EB1 category, for India, there's been no change. China, there's been no change. All other countries remain current. For EB2, again, India and China, no change. All other countries, also no change. They continue to be June 22nd, 2023. And India continues to be January 1, 2013. China continues to be October 1, 2020. EB3 professionals and skilled workers, India advances by a small amount, which is 2 weeks. There's a 2 weeks progression. It advances to April 15, 2023. China remains at November 1, 2020, no change. All other countries also no change, remain at January 1, 2023. EB5, also China no change. India retrogresses, and we were expecting this. India retrogresses by 6 months to May 1, 2019. All other countries remain current. And set aside categories, this is for categories that come under rural and high unemployment infrastructure areas, they remain current for all countries. Now, the family-based petitions, if we go into the Visa Bulletin for family-based cases, there's no change in other categories. F4, there is a slight change, but the main change is in F2A, that is spouses and unmarried children under the age of 21 of US green card holders. We see a significant forward movement of 3 months for all other countries, China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. For India, the forward movement has been from October 15, 2024 to February 1, 2025. So all of those people who are married to permanent residents, please make sure that you file your petition next month. What to expect for the following month, for June? What are our predictions for the June 2025 Visa Bulletin? We've seen high demand in most categories, employment-based categories. So we expect only a slight forward movement in maybe the EB3 category. We don't expect any forward movement in the EB2 category. We do expect in the coming months to see either no forward movement or maybe some slight retrogression as well. As October comes closer, maybe in September we will see some unavailability or retrogression. So unless we see some legislative action taken, I don't think it's looking that great for employment-based categories, especially for India this year. And that's it. That's a wrap for Immigration Fridays this week. As you all know, immigration laws and processes can be complex. So if you need any kind of legal advice or if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Drop me an email, prashanthi@readyesq.com, or you can call me at 212-354-1010. Thank you for watching. See you next week.